Hello dear students, welcome back in today's session. My dear student, this is the second part of topic 4.5 language study, position word, okay? The explanation of this part you will get in part number 1, okay? So today's part we will complete a workbook writing as I promised you that day. So dear student, position word. What is position word? Position word means the words show the position of the things, person, animals are called position word, right? ऐसा वर्ड जो कि किसी भी चीज की पोजीशन, किसी भी एनिमल्स की या फिर किसी भी पर्सन की पोजीशन बताता है, उसको हम पोजीशन वर्ड कहते हैं, राइट? सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सेम writing part we have to which we done in the textbook, same we have to complete in our workbook, page number 100. Okay, read the following sentences and draw the pictures in the box. See here, the apple is on the table. As you done before in the textbook, same you do in the workbook. Draw a table and draw one apple on it. Okay, the next is the ball is under the table. Okay, same you draw the table and draw a ball under the table. Under means niche, on means upar. Is it? Okay, now complete the word snake using vowels. With the help of using vowels, you complete this snake. As we done in the textbook, same like that, you complete in the workbook also. See here, M-A-T, mat, in M and T. There is a A. A is a vowel. How many vowels are there? 5. A, E, I, O, U. Correct? Okay, then T, I, N. Teen. See here. I also vowel. Then N-A-P, nap. A is also vowel. P-I-N, peen. N-O-T, not. See here, O is a vowel, I is a vowel. Right? Then T-R-E-E, tree. See here, E is a vowel. Then next, A-G-E. Here A and E also a vowel. Then here N-I-B, nib. I is a vowel and B-U-N, bun. U is a vowel. Understand? Same like that, you complete the snake. Then come to the next page. Now see the next page. Question number 4. Underline the position word in, near, behind, under and on in the paragraph given below. You can see the pictures are here and here is one paragraph. Okay. So we have to underline the position word. See here. I'm just reading it. Listen carefully. There was a beautiful garden near नीनाज हाउस. मतलब गार्डन की पोजीशन कहाँ है? नीना के हाउस के नियर, नजदीक, राइट? व्हेन नीना वेंट टू द गार्डन ऑन सैटरडे शी सॉ हर फ्रेंड पिंकी सिटिंग ऑन द ग्रास. वेयर द पिंकी सैट, शी सैट ऑन द ग्रास. कहाँ बैठी है वो? उसने कहाँ देखा उसको बैठी हुई? ऑन द ग्रास, ग्रास के ऊपर, राइट? There was a squirrel behind her. और squirrel कहाँ है? पिंकी के behind मतलब पीछे, right? There were 2 brown cats standing under a big tree. See here, there were 2 cats were standing under a tree मतलब tree के नीचे. A dog was sitting behind the tree. And where is the dog? Dog is behind the tree. Tree के पीछे. Waiting to jump on the cats. He is waiting to jump on the cats, right? A yellow duck was splashing happily in the small pond. Okay, where the duck splashing in the pond, right? In is a position word. Nina sat under a big bush. Where the Nina sat? Under a big bush. Okay, bush के नीचे. Watching a black crow sitting on the branch of a tree. Where is the crow sitting? On the tree. And the crow had a piece of cheese in its beak. In means चोंच के अंदर, beak के अंदर, right? उसे क्या पकड़ा हुआ है? Piece of cheese. Understand? Same like that. you also underline the position word. Now turn the page. Here also same fill in the blanks which we done in the textbook. Same you have to fill in the workbook. Okay. Now I am reading. Question number 5. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. See, here is the peacock. The peacock is sitting on the tree. मतलब ट्री के ऊपर बैठा हुआ है, राइट. द मैन इज स्टैंडिंग नियर द कार. कार के बाजू में खड़ा है, नजदीक खड़ा है. नियर मीन्स नजदीक. देयर इज अ वाटर इन द जार. पानी कहाँ है? जार के अंदर. इन द जार. द कार इज पार्क्ड अंडर द ट्री. कार कहाँ पार्क है? अंडर द ट्री. ट्री के नीचे. द रैबिट इज हाइडिंग बिहाइंड द ट्री. मीन्स बिहाइंड मीन्स पीछे, राइट. नीचे और पीछे, मतलब अंडर मीन्स नीचे और बिहाइंड मीन्स पीछे. ट्री और रैबिट कहाँ है? ट्री के पीछे. ओके. देन सेम क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. डू यू डू दिस? राइट यस और नो. क्या आप ये करते हैं? अगर हाँ तो राइट यस, अगर नहीं तो राइट नो. आई राइट ऑन अ पेपर विद अ चॉक. क्या हम पेपर पे चॉक से लिखते हैं? नहीं. वी यूज पेंसिल और पेन टू राइट ऑन द पेपर. करेक्ट. सो इज दिस क्वेश्चन आंसर इज नो. Next question is, I wear a clean uniform when I go to school. Yes, everybody is wearing a clean uniform when they are going to school. So write down here, yes. I drink my books. क्या हम books पीते हैं? No, we drink a water from water bottle, right? So write here, no. I sit on my bench. Yes, we sit on a bench and we write on a desk, right? So write down here, yes. Our classroom is clean. Yes. We keep our classroom clean. So, yes. Write down yes. I give a bath to my books every day. क्या हम books को बात देते हैं? मतलब क्या उनको नहलाते हैं रोज? नहीं. रही गलत है. नहीं. क्या होगा वो? अगर books में हम पानी डालेंगे तो books सब क्या हो जाएंगे? Mess हो जाएंगे, फट जाएंगे. So, write down here no. And the last question is, I ask questions and the teacher answer them. मैं टीचर को क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ और टीचर उसका आंसर देते हैं. Is it true? Is it yes? No. We teacher ask a question and student reply no. Yes. So write down here also no. Okay, dear student. I hope you all understand the topic and understand the position word. Okay, dear student. Position word means what? Again, I am telling you the words which is show us the position of person, thing और animals. Understand? किसी भी चीज की, किसी भी animals की या फिर किसी भी person की place, मतलब कहाँ पे है वो actually position बताता है. उस word को हम position word कहते हैं. Okay? Okay, dear student. Next session we will see another topic. Till that, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.